Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a Cartier unboxing, and this is a symbolic piece for me and also to the other people who think it has a significant meaning to their lives and to the important person of their lives. So let's get started and open this little beauty. It was handed to me like this in the store after I paid for this item, and this is what it looks like. This is the receipt, and I paid $1,447 and $87, and that's with tax. And they have this paper receipt and also a separate receipt that has a Cartier logo. And let's open what I got. So my SA was really kind, so she gave me this, and this is the certificate of authenticity. It came with this thick Cartier cardboard, and inside, this is it, guys. It is a small box, so maybe by now you guess already what's inside, and it is a Trinity ring, and this is the classic size. So Trinity rings has 3 sizes. It has the small size, this is the classic size, and it also has a thicker size. The thicker size is almost like doubled as this size, and this is in white gold, yellow gold, and pink gold. And in the pink gold it says Cartier. So here it is, guys. It is a Trinity ring interlocking with each other, and this is the white gold, and this is the pink, the rose gold, and this is the yellow gold, and it's all in 18 karat gold. And in the pink gold it says Cartier here. And when you put it on, it's like turning at each other. I'm a size 7 and I got the size 54, and I can also put it here in my middle finger here like this. Okay, by the way, guys, let's put some lotion, because I know I am a nurse and I have really bad dry skin, so I guess this will help. And it smells good. Now let's put it back. So I can put it here in my middle finger and also here at my pointer finger, and also here. Sometimes in the afternoon our fingers tend to swell, and it looks like this, guys. It's very pretty, and I really love it. I find this not really popular as the love rings, but my SA told me that this has been with Cartier since the 1930s. I love the look of the Trinity rings, and it also has a lot of gold. As you can see, it's 3 separate rings that they interlock together. And I got this because I have 3 boys. So this symbolizes each one of them: my eldest, my middle child, and my youngest child. So as I was paying this ring, I noticed that my French SA, she's more like in her 60s. She has one in this finger, and it's the thicker one, the bigger one. So I pointed it out to her. I told her that it looks good on her. I tried the thicker one, but it doesn't look well on my fingers, but in her fingers it really looks so good. And I told her that She wears it very well. And she told me that I gave my daughters two of the classic size, the same one as you got. They are so happy about it. So she told me that she has two daughters, and the big one is the one that she got, as it is a mama ring, and then the two classic size, that's this, is for her daughter. So I was surprised because I was not really thinking about it that way for other people, but for me, I bought this specifically because I have three boys, and it just makes me happy that she's thinking the same thing. And she told me that she has a lot of clients going to the store because of the same symbol. Some has three daughters, and some has mother and daughters like her. But as for me, I thought of this as a symbol for my three boys. She said that the love ring is more like a trendy piece, while this Cartier Trinity ring is more like a classic piece, since it's been with Cartier since 1930s. I am really so happy about this ring. I have a love ring that my husband gifted me a few years back, and it came with this box, and this is the box of my Trinity ring. So the Cartier on this is bigger than this one, but the box is the same and the texture looks the same. This is more like a darker red than this one, and inside is this box. It's the same push lock box, and this is my love ring, which is an 18 karat white gold, and it's the small love ring. So I put it here if I wear it. Now that I have this Trinity ring, I plan to put it together like this beside each other, or I can put this love ring here in my pointer finger. It will look like this. So I really love the substantial look of this Trinity ring, but mostly the symbol behind it as to represent my three boys. And it is really special for me to wear this each time I go out. My SA also let me try the bracelets and the Justin Clue ring. I'm just confused which one to get in the future, Justin Clue or the love bracelet, as I love the look of the love bracelet. I don't like the idea that I don't have to take it out from my wrist. And I also love the look of the Justin Clue, but originally I love the look of the love bracelet, so it makes me confused, and it doesn't help as well that I'm a Gemini, and you know how indecisive Geminis are when it comes to choices. So I'm really having a hard time. But when I went to the store, I specifically wanted this classic size Trinity ring, so I didn't really have a hard time when I put this on in my finger. Even though I tried the other Justin Clue rings, I was set to get this Trinity ring that I love. When you buy at Cartier, you can have the ring engraved, and I didn't have this ring engraved as I was in a hurry. That store will be closing. When I went in there, and my SA told me that I can just bring this ring anytime and they will engrave it. And she is also very, very sweet that she asked me if she can clean my watch, my Cartier Frances watch that I have years ago, and she cleaned this up. And when she returned it to me, it was still warm. It is still warm, literally, on my skin. And it looks brand new. It is shiny all over again. And I'm so happy that she did that for me. So my plan is to have this engraved soon. And about the cleaning material, she told me that I can just go in and get it by the time they will have it, as they ordered it, and it will still be arriving on December for Christmas, so they don't have it right now. I am just glad that she mentioned it, so I can maybe come back and have this engraved and ask for the cleaning material if it will be available. Let's put the boxes side by side. So the boxes looks like the same, and when you open it, this one is my old box from this love ring, while this one is the new box from my Trinity ring. So the Cartier bigger also on the old box than the new box, and inside this one has like a felt that is protruding where you can put the ring inside like so. So when you open it, it will be standing like this, while the old box is just a hole in the middle when you open it. I think the new box looks way better, as it really showcases the look of the ring when you open it, especially if this one is gifted to a loved one. When she opened this one, she will see the ring at its full view. As you can see, the whole ring standing up rather than this, that you can just see half of the ring. So what do you think of this Trinity ring, guys? I really love it. I am so glad that I chose this. I'm really happy that this ring represents for my three beloved boys, and my eldest is not here with me right now. He's in college and is in the university, and I missed him tremendously. And with this ring on my finger makes me just think that he's always with me. This ring represents my love for my three boys, and I will always wear this with me till it will not fit my finger anymore. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and let me know your thoughts on this Trinity ring. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. I do appreciate each one of you. May all of you have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you again next time. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.